Welcome in, JG. Welcome in.
Hello, friends.
Hello.
How are you guys?
We survived one raid today.
Wait, what?
Let's ride to Goop Tower. Cloaksy,
I'm sprinting!
get over here.
I had to kill the clankers!
Damn, how much did you drink to be this slow, Cloaksy?
Never mind, I need another silly juice.
What?
I'm
Oh,
not even drinking!
Let's get him.
Close
Oh
right.